up?
What?
You can do that though.
Real original, Ricky.
And then you get to wipe my butt after. Because I bet you it's white.
Oh, she meant like literally with a white.
No, I meant with his hands.
You need to go wet my butt out.
Ew, that's gross.
That's your reward.
I meant wipe it like
I
this.
thought you meant like you took
Now what the
shit.
why would I be like, Ricky, come over here and wipe my ass.
Joel, can you
It's
please
so
like
good,
wait
corn
till
doo
after the video?
doo. Corn doo doo.
Corn comes out your butthole.
Yeah, corn doesn't digest.
What's going on, guys? I'm here with Blackie and Mexi.
Oh.
That's not racist.
And Rocky.
And special guest Siobhan. Hi, Siobhan.
Do you just want to stop this and
No,
continue?
because I can edit it all out.
Okay.
It's fine. Oh, you guys are editing something? Or doing things?
Video.
Oh, he could be the guest.
I don't want to be a guest. You can be a guest, dude. Aaron, you're not allowed. You're ginger. We have too many gingers on our table.
He's it! I know it!
You're it, Aaron?
He's it.
Okay.
Oh, you.
You weren't here last episode. What happened to you? Please share.
I don't even remember. That was like 2 months ago.
So.
That was
A month ago?
Let's just say he was abducted by aliens.
Yeah.
Okay.
when we went to Alaska.
I gotta pee. I'm sorry. I've been holding it for so long.
See, I told you.
Alright, it's a vlog now.
This is why you don't.
Hey.
Do
Hey
it.
guys! I'm Brandon!
You're not Brandon. You're
The psychopathic black guy! Oh, come on.
You're just messing up so bad. First of all, you're Kane and you're not black.
You're psychopaths.
This is all going in the video, more or less.
Oh.
I mean,
Alright.
but serious. Brandon, intro please.
What's good, my hood people in the hood?
So now you just assume that hood people are gonna be watching this on?
He's black, so he brings in all
my
the
hood people are
Okay,
gonna watch
your
it.
hood people?
Yeah,
Alright.
say what's up to them.
Alright. Kane, are you gonna say what's up to your,
Your whiteies,
I guess?
tidy whiteies.
What up, bros, from the cul-de-sac?
The
cul-de-sac.
Yeah, dirty.
You know what a cul-de-sac is?
Yeah, they live in a cul-de-sac.
What is it?
It's like
It's
a
like a
little.
thing.
No, I want to see if he knows.
It's like a neighborhood, and then like ends with like
He's
a circle.
seen Fred.
Where's Justin?
What dumbass made a
Right.
cul-de-sac?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Where's Justin?
Who called it a
I don't
cul-de-sac?
know.
Like why? So,
Who cares about cul-de-sac?
Mom, please.
Excuse me?
Special guest, Kalia Ruckers.
Hey. Let's talk about chicken nuggets though.
Chicken nuggets? Okay.
Yes.
From where?
From Burger King.
Burger King? Oh
The
no.
fact that that was 50 piece
Damn.
now.
Oh my
The
god!
fact that that was 50 piece for $7.
Yo,
It's $10 at McDonald's.
The 20 piece was only $1.49 for like some time. Though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
like over like 2 weeks. But then
They keep taking it off and putting it back on. Like it
yeah,
was
so
on.
honestly they can all eat Frank's because
Yeah.
why are you gonna leave it up there and get me all excited and I go in and I'm like, oh, it's
Yeah,
over.
it's
Like,
like-
really, bitch? Really, nigga? Really? Like,
Yeah.
you really had to take it off? Like, really? As soon as I come in, how can I? There's no.
Nigga.
Take them things and show me your buttholes. JK, where's Justin?
Oh, he's probably doing some stuff.
Do the call.
Justin!
I don't feel comfortable right now, like at all. So let's talk about the episode 2 trailer. It's never gonna go out.
Oh.
Yeah, because we had a trailer for the first episode, and that episode never came
I would
out.
do the shotgun on camera, but that would be inappropriate.
Why do you exist?
Because
Do you like think about what you're gonna say?
What
Why
is
are you
that?
wearing
What is
those
that?
pants?
she said wear something that won't crush your balls.
They're perfectly loose now.
There's a title. Don't
I
crush.
thought you weren't gonna talk.
Well, are y'all actually doing something with y'all lives in this video?
We're here, aren't we?
Yeah, Sam would. Sam, what?
What?
We have a book.
And you got it on video, so don't even start.
Say something.
Brandon, please. You're black.
Say something.
I did.
You said what's up and then died.
Because you said to say, what's up?
That's
You didn't
it.
tell me to die.
I said.
Well,
I mean, Brandon's black and his eyes are black.
You know what? Since he doesn't know how to do it, you do it.
I gotta do
You
it?
always do it. Isn't this like your thing?
Yeah, no, I don't like doing it though.
I don't even like doing
Does
it.
that look
Fine, Ricky, do it.
What's up, guys? We are here at Ridiculousness with Bud. No. He's not
Oh,
allowed.
you be the black guy.
That was that one time that I did that. I was like, oh, what's up, guys?
Yeah, so you said that's all you want to do.
No, I didn't say that's all I want to do. I said that was just for that one time.
Ridiculousness ripoff. Go away.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
You're
For
out of the
that
wolf
one
pack.
time. Like,
You're out of the wolf pack.
Oh my god. Okay. What if? Like,
Fingering me or putting up the peace sign?
It's a piece with a squad in the middle.
So Brandon.
nope. I know what you're gonna do. It's not gonna work.